It's quite common for dogs, particularly puppies, to chew electrical cables. And this can be extremely serious because obviously if you're chewing a live electric cable, it can give you a massive electric shock. If you suspect that your dog has had an electric shock, if they are unconscious, it's really important that you turn off the electricity at the mains before going anywhere near them. So make sure that that's the case. Once you've turned off the electricity at the mains, if they're unconscious and they're not breathing, you should do CPR. If they are unconscious and breathing, put them in the recovery position, transfer them to the vet as quickly as possible. If they're fully conscious, they should still be seen by a vet as soon as you possibly can. Now, if they've been chewing cables, it's quite possible that they've only had sort of less severe electric shocks, and you might not be aware that it's happened at all for a couple of days. It might be the first you know about it that they start having slightly bad breath, that you see sort of maybe ulceration or slight singe or burn marks around their mouth. Maybe they're having difficulty eating, and that could lead you to feel that that might be the case. Take them to the vet as soon as possible because those burns can get infected and the vet will need to treat them. And keep cables out of reach of your pet. There's things that you can do to put them behind things, under things, and just make sure that as far as you can, they're not accessible to your pet.